Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal. Wait for fuel line so I know it's ready. Play musician today, it seems. Okay, should be ready. It runs in the browser. Okay, localhost for me. I start fresh, so I delete all data. I failed. Try. Okay, now I'm that I play musician is 5. I think I played squares. So I'm guy in the middle, it decides enemies. If I'm close to them, they attack me. The bar above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and I damage by placing nodes. More enemies kill, the stronger I become, and enemies become stronger the further away I am from the middle. Goal is to get as far away as possible without dying. And let's play. Doesn't feel right. Another square, take it. Okay, I continue this pattern and try around. So. Another square, I take shield cane. I think it repeats too much. More multiply, I don't think. Oh no, let's take it. But I'm weak. need a square, damage over time, perfect. Still need a slow, I guess. Suppressive. A square. Another speed, so one faster. Some symbols for more. Oh no, I'm fast enough. No, no. Ow. Die. Okay, I survived. Nice. Slow on hit. Okay, this will help me a lot. Hit him. Hit. Oof. No. Went into a corner. Lucky. Another speed. Nothing else matters, I guess. God, so many. Okay, I'm fast. Okay, I'm ready. I win. I think die for my damage over time. Okay, I survived. Perfect. Debug test. Copy last replay. Long musician. Long musician. Which means I have a musician one. Build as the last missing. What do I... No, increase version first. Main 301. Save. Okay. I was working on darkness, visualization, and I wanted cursed legendary to be visualized. Okay, as I don't have one, I have to create one again. Let's... Because this is musician. Plus doesn't matter, but so close. Let's go sniper. Now I have a sniper rifle. It's darkness. Okay, I curse it. The second one entered too early. 3. Something is not adding up to what I want. So I have this cursed. Have to... Now I have this cursed. Correct. Why are that 3? I target it is cost 23. I have to verify. Doesn't add up to what I think. Max clones is rounded up. 23 is... Okay, 23, then it's correct. I was stupid, okay. 2 full, 1 small, yes. Let me think. Now I want to visualize it. This sniper is cursed. I was working on particle effects. I paint class building, was it in here? Do it in here, paint particle effects. I did creation. Okay, I remember what I did, and I remember that this is a problem. This is part of state, and I have random values part of state. This it's not good. I have to remove it here. And do it differently. I paint particles, but they are... to think. They're bound to sing. Don't need to know. Okay, let's remove it here. I will place particle effects, but they are... Game model? Why does not fit perfectly? Start with game. What do I have in game? Game. General. state monitoring performance testing UI. Could add particles. And this is paint. Let's call it paint. Special paint. Special paint. And I want a new model for it. A new type. What type? Special paint. This has particles, and what particles are? I have options. For example, special paint, extra paint. Special paint, I don't know. Additional paint. Additional paints. Why? Big. With additional paints. Additional paints. I have particles. Position is not enough. Should I have an extra type, an extra class, an extra file? Let's do an extra file. New file. File. Let's call it particles. Or should I extra paint? Additional paint. Additional paint for now. Paints, paint, additional paints. I can spot this here. This yes. Paints can be imported. Need to set it. Can make it optional, then he doesn't care about it. So let's type particle. What does he need? Particle effect, let's call it. I have a position. I have, let's say, a color. I have alpha. No, I calculated by, let's call it, I have a spawn position. Do I have, let's call it the spawn position. And I have a spawn timer number and a duration number. With this I can work, I guess. And I have particles. So I have function create particle. I export this. I just return a. I need a position spawn. And I need a color. Spawn timer. Game. So I take the time from the game. I have a iteration number. Something like this. Now I need to turn. I have spawn something. No, I did not say what type to return. Now he should help me. Perfect. Spawn position is copy. Position minus color. Color is color. Is duration. And spawn timer is game state time. So I can create one. Did I break curse? Yes, they are no longer existing. This is correct. So I create one. Don't know. Also directly add one. I need add particle effect. Let's do it this way. I just check if game additional paints not function bit default additional paints as is additional paints return. Do you need particles empty array? Game no additional paints is this. Now if this is not, then you do it. And now I can particle paint particles push. So I add it directly. To export this. Would be exported because then I need export function paint additional paints. Need canvas 3. Set and game. I have so const game I don't have them, I return. And function paint particle to add particle of particles. And this will need to the particle effect game, maybe. CTX particle game. So now I have to the build style. It's particle color. Can probably copy now. Paint particle. Because only interested in this one. I don't have the radius. I have fill style, begin path to we can put in the camera position. Okay, I have it. Let's get camera position. Let's do it. Game const camera. Position. I have it in here. Now I need calculate paint. Was it a paint? Get okay tx point a particle spawn position is fine. Position game point I point zoom ctx what? It's true. It's a zoomed one. Now I have paint position. I don't have the radius. It's number duration radius. Radius. This has to be a particle effect. There are few problems I have. Particle. Yes. I have, let's say, a factor. Say the particle starts to grow, but also moves. also don't know the counter. Maybe I have a particle timer, particle spawn timer. I need to tick, and the cursor is the one. No, the building is the one which has to do it. It's here where I started. It feels like there was a better glass building stuff board. Can I not do just this? Stuff board. If this is something is in here, I a minute. Glass build. I cannot do anything without it. Can I not just return then? I mean, this is a case. At least I can move the complete question marks. And now it's no longer correct. It doesn't exist. No, it's a bit different. Stuff is bold and I have cursors. Possibly undefined. That's kind of question mark it. Now int particles. They never despawn. Check and delete in here, so let's check it, change it up. It's paint related, it doesn't only paint. Let I equals means particles length -1 0 I minus const equal paint I let's do if particle spawn timer plus particle duration is smaller game state time. See care position and number spawn position no particle spawn timer. That's Okay, then I no paints particles splice. I want game time is bigger. Okay. Now I delete. I can do in paint in case of paints which are not game, which don't influence the game. They only stay. I have direction maybe. Let's edit move direction. It's a number. So move speed. Move speed. Let's take them. I could for now point random. I want an up direction. I don't know what up is currently. This is 0 to 1. Move speed is 1, let's say. It's okay. I survive. I do 1. I have 60 ticks per second. 60 per second. Might be a lot. This gives me, I hope, all things I need. Time offset. I want, but no, it's not tick, I'm on time related. Move per sec, move speed. I think it helps having it. Okay. I need const vector, which is dependent on this. It's spawn. No, the delete afterwards. This is not good. Make it this way. Now I would continue here. Well, this is only painted if this is the case. If game time is so, I can minus here, which means this will be a positive number divided by duration. This should now be between between 0 and 1. It goes to 0, but I want it to 1. If it goes to 1, could also start negative. I want the smaller number? No. Second, I have vector. Let's not care for these cases yet. Now I have calculate move position. What does this do? Move direction distance. This is it. It does return a position. I have paint pause. A move by move direction. This is particle move direction. Distance. Maybe it's move distance. Move max distance. Let's change it. I have a number to say 50, 40. Direction. This would particle move max distance times vector. Check collision, no. And if I don't need anything else. Const differently. This is spawn paint pose. And he complains. Why? I need check collision. Okay, false. I have a paint position. Now I have a radius. Let's add vector here. And let's add ZX global alpha times vector. Now I want to get vector grows towards 1. Towards 1. This doesn't add up. Oh, is this correct? Is this 1 minus vector? No, it goes towards 0. But I think I want if equals this point max it's 0.1. So if I would multiply by 0 and divide by 0, this would be a problem. No, I have to go after the fill. It's before the begin, so it should not matter. I don't have the alpha here. Okay. Now I can create particles. Particle effect. Versus do the paint and the creation. Create cast particle effect. It no longer do the painting in here. I no longer need to do the moving in here. Just need to create a particle. I don't have them in here. I have a curse. I have no longer particle length. If is not relevant. I a limit. Particle length. Particle. I have only the level. How do I do it? The higher the curse, the higher the probability. The probability to create it is. Cannot do it here. I can do it here, but it's. So I make a random each paint. Let's say I have a 10% chance to add particle effect. I start with a position. I have black as a color. I have duration at 60 seconds. Radius, let's say 20. Game. Now I still have an error. One. Here, particles. We said I don't have them anymore. Error in here. Let's go. Paint particle effects. It's no longer part. But paint does the creation. Okay, it doesn't exist. It's. It's then, let's call it add. It needs what? Doesn't add up. We need the CTX now. It should not be created in here. It is what it is. And I no longer return. So let's see if something happens. Nothing happens. Because I do not paint. Correct. I do not call paint additional paints. Game paint. I probably paint it here. Oh no. What does it need? What does it need? Tell me. That's the game. I could add the camera position like everything else here. Don't need to calculate it again. Now I should see something. Nope. I hoped. And let's see what happens and what does not. Stuff not borrowed, and so this is probably the first one. App object class building. Class building. Object class building. Was it in paint class building? Yes. This is a point, and I take this away. I never get in here. I have painted it, so this is the one with the curse. Borrowed is false. Okay, this was stuff borrowed. I think this might work. The other thing is question mark key. Okay. Don't know why it stopped. Now I get in here. Now I get random values. Did not happen. Or it should happen that I add particle effects. Yes. Go in here. I add particles. There are 18 in there. Perfect. Does mean I do not care for this anymore. Now I care for additional paints. Should paint here. Does happen. I have a paint position somewhere. X 13,320. What is my alpha? 0.1. Okay. This is my color. Black. Thing I should check is so I can this to 1 for now. But I don't think it will change anything. Okay, here I see them now. They're somehow they get smaller, they should get bigger, so strange stuff is happening. Okay, which means my factor is incorrect. I wanted it to go to 1, but it goes the other way around. Spawn timer. Time will grow. Okay, correct. I miss First check. Now they grow and they move to the right. Now they don't spawn correctly. What did I do? What happened? Snap? I managed to crash it. Interesting. Don't send. I know one thing I need to do. I reloaded. I did not clean it up. It is bad. So game init. It's somewhere. Game additional panes particles. If I have additional panes, I can just clear it completely. No, not what I wanted. Should I delete it? I can just set it to undefined. Okay. Maybe this prevents the crash already. I am in a breakpoint. No. Rosa? Failed to execute arc. Where do I have? Okay, I think it's broke. See if I reload now. Does it end up in some way? No, perfect. I could, and that's perfect. Now the position. Why is the position where it is? Because I probably put paint position in. Yes, I put the paint position in. Where did I put the paint position in? Check because I don't have the position here. Paint position. Do I have anything to get the position of the building? Or is it? I need to find the closest interactable. Should have function for it. Or at least I have find closest. Pascal map object position here. Interactable map object times tile size. Is this enough? It has an X. Okay, interesting. I somehow want to check it. Map object. Map tile object XY. Then it's okay. Owns them. Map. Map chunk. A map chunk has it, so will be zero. I'm confused. This only works because I have this a sign. Sign is outside of the spawn chunk. It's a map object. I'm confused. Confused. Doesn't this mean this past character can be newer because I don't care for chunks? Find nearest interactable. The sign. Past character. Distance to the character is correct. So it's more like I go down here and have. Oh. Seem to be correct. And use integral map chunk object. This probably cares for map key and here I have what I need. Thank you. This actually calculates it. Was I? Someone creates. It was in here. Add crust, and here I paint pose. This is not correct. I have the map object, but the map object does not know in which chunk it is, does it? In my case, I can const. Do I have in my copy? I have map object. Don't think I care for class building, so I have an X and a Y. And I need a key. here is 0, 0, I guess. And pose is this. This only works as long as. Let's see what happens. Okay, first thing, the spawn position is correct. Next thing is the alpha, the painting. Put it back in. Okay, it's about. No, that's not what I wanted. This was fine. I want the direction to change. The direction is particular effect. Direction is random. Minus mass point pi 90 degree. I guess it goes primarily up now. I have to somehow, like I envisioned it, it has to be say a bit more spread. I randomize the X. Can randomize it more. Okay. 10 left, 10 right. Maybe a bit down. The move direction is still more to the right than the left. Let me think. Again in here. This one is, I want 90 degree, so needs to be so multiplied by this, but think I no need to times 3 divided by 2. So this goes from half, 1.5. This feels off. The fourth. I want 1/4. I think this could be it. Oh, the amount of curves is currently at. I just create one every tick. No, I have here a randomizer. Half it. I shouldn't be responsible for the amount. Oh, I have it. This is fine. I want the curse strings to be visualized, let's say. And the fact that I use the painting is not good. Is it? Does mean even if I pause it, no, it doesn't move. It's time related, but it spawns. Does it? I think it does spawn. Because I painted. It's bad. I create more and more if I'm in a paused modus. I want things to tick, I guess. Yeah, tick. That's good. Tick. Only who wants to tick. I have nothing to turn. Don't have an interactor, I only have these two, I guess. So now I tick function, go to class building. I want a tick in here. And I register it. Tick tick. I get this stuff. If class building is object as. Okay, do I need more? Oh, it's not a class building, it's a map tile object class building. Then it's not both. Okay, I need con. Where was I? Class build map object class building. This building can be undefined. Don't have it, I return. Else I in here. And here I have the curse and I will. No, it's tick related. It's only visualization. I can use mass random. Now it's, let's say, curse. Like this. To maybe do 2 seconds. Don't. It even crashes. Unexpected. Okay. Nothing should happen. Expected. Don't tick. Tick. Don't I have a paint function? Go to references, paint. Take this as a base. Call it tick. I don't have something to paint. Don't have a default. I just tick. If I have tick, I do tick. No, what did I do? I do tick. I don't want. Don't have this. I don't have. And I do it for each chunk. Only tick active chunks. Chunks tick. I hope so. See game tick. No, tick game. No, only tick. Only tick. Tick map characters. Tick timer. Ability objects. Tick map characters would be tick active chunks, probably. Yes. I gather all characters I could do tick map objects. Yes. A map chunk game. I would rename this to tick active chunks, but it's in character. And it should not be here, probably. Stick map characters, go to map. Do I have some tick related stuff here? I probably not. Export function tick active map chunks. And in here I would do not read by characters where I chunks as a game. To import. Once Mavis game state map. State map. Const map. And take map characters. Map game. Question is the order relevant? Currently not. Now I can go back to game and change this up to active chunks. Expect to have something here which is no longer. Okay, still an error. Does he want only the game? I would expect to see it again. It feels. What curse level did I have? 23. Go. Curse darkness? No, curse is relevant for. Let's do half one I saw. Tickle is no longer full. Okay. Still feels like a lot. Let's make more sniper, different curses. So no curse. Do I have? I have a sniper here. Certain. Let's do clean in this curse. Give. I missed. Oh no, this curse 1, the smallest possible. Me XP. Now I have 1, and now I want dot. See, flip down here. Cell. Yes. A long time. Now I see how much curse I get here. Still want more, I guess. $40. Expected more. Should I give 40? Let's remove the close king. Let's I want more. Okay, even more. Okay, now I don't know where he is, but I hope I can find him. Okay, I see a problem. Let's quickly. First of all, I don't find darkness boss so easily. I can fix this maybe. And mutation enemy projectile sizes very big. Too big. It's too big. Organization default enemies. Okay, I have this. I can. Don't think I know how to find him. Oh, I found him. Perfect. Please. Kill. I know what's the problem. Okay, I get some level. 61. Oh, there's some flying stuff. Okay, I don't have the close king area. I need... Okay, I found a pass. Next time I have low king HP, so I have just reached it, so I'm very tanky. 3, 4. Let's do Firelight, doesn't matter. Oh my. Become evil, doesn't matter. I half damage. With chain, stay still. Speed, no charge, speed, no charge, and 1. Here they are. I don't know. I think my HP scaling is too hard. They are. I'm interested. Something is not adding up correctly. No. Interesting. I have no. My mana is fine, but I lose a lot of frames. Interesting. For them for now. If they're not visible, I normal frames. I think doesn't add up. Now I understand. Okay, I found him. I have him down. Kill him. Okay, now I have C1 curse. If I take a smaller curse, G3, C2, 3, I switch to the bigger one. That's the existing ones even, interesting. Okay, so now I have the same paints. Duplicates for me, and okay, they do not shoot. Once they fire, probably I'm losing fuel. Although my one doesn't reflect it. It's all again virtual machine problem main. Slowly turning black. Okay, this is hard to survive, but I think this is fine. For a particle effect. Let's commit particle effect cursed legendary. It's fine. Time. Okay. Yes, I have done it. It's fine. Utilize player curse between. I ignore this for now. Okay, I have the problem that my pets are not in. And I also do not. I guess it's best if I teleport pets on king fight start. I have an enemy, I have king enemy. Probably in here I have default next king, fourth, there's king. Start king fight. Does map king area. Check. And what does he do? Try. Okay. For this. Start king fight. Teleport pets to area. Teleport pets. I probably will need something like this. I will. Is this a character function? I guess yes. Character. Different reasons why I will need the few. Character. Go it somewhere. Export. Function. Teleport. Character pets. Character pets. I have characters. Character array, and I have game. Or let characters because I have to check if character pets. If not, I continue. Else character pets. Let pet of character pets. Let x equals character x. Same for y. And that's it. Teleport character pets to owner. Teleport pets to owner. Character pets. Owner teleport players 0 by 0. Confused. Why do I need a player in here? To know which area. Okay. They are all players. Should be fine. Let's test it. This breaks probably the tamer one. I test it later. Lows, low doesn't matter. So spawn me. I go in. Zack, and they are in. For some reason, tick doesn't take anything, and also not, but I lose half my friend. There are a lot of lines to paint, so it's damage meat has also something. They all have my legendary. They are listed all. Interesting. Let's see. Now the cursed. Turn, and now I barely see using so many clones. But why don't I see? The fire lines should be painted before. And the shots over them, so I can see I'm hit. Okay. 130. Gets the weapon back. Okay. Okay. It's also not, I mean, more info. I need the cursed information. More info, curse information. On King I did this. I commit teleport pets on King fight start. I don't do it for God fight yet, but doesn't matter. This is what I have. Safe and permanent storage. This is a question. I have the problem that it's hard to find the center. So I already save it, it's permanent. I also have the different curse types, but probably do I find the center? Easiest thing would be far enough in. Boss comes automatically. Comes. I could. I mean, in the end, I should make a different boss for it. I would change tiles to darker words when further in. So this would require painting all tiles in different versions, or I modify them in a way. Just putting or I could decrease my vision range. Primär decrease vision as in layer is. This is a good case. And do I have balancing? Balancing clones. HP mainly. Let's make HP maybe in other things too. something else. Modify car to find center. This is all options. I mean, in the end, I could also do a direction indicator. What's this? I don't like. Because it's a square, there's no indication that there is a middle in the first place. Just that's supposed to be where. Maybe. I could also first do a circle. This gives minor indication, at least when I enter it. The changing of tiles might help. The vision doesn't give a direction. I don't like it. Should I only change blocking tiles, maybe? Still unsure. These two are different. Directly different. Did not want to do it because it would add direction. As long as I have to tell the direction to center. Does it? I think in multiplayer it works. It's part of map. Little bit time left. I'm unsure how to continue. Could do as a small task. I had still broken. Replace. Short replace. Let's reset this. Let's see which test replace. I only want the short ones. Short builder, short tamer. I think that's also working. First wheel one. Stop it. I need builder, tamer, position, short king. Test one. I have short, builder, tamer, musician, king. Okay. Let's do builder first. Start new. I take build. I go kill a few. I died. Perfect. Last replay. Builder. Short builder. Next one. Tamer. A tamer to kill a bit. Level. Double. Bad. Get a lot of hearts. Died. Next replay. Tamer. Next one. Musician. Let's do mission. Let's do sign. Perfect. The last week. Next. I king. It's clear. Start new. Debug cheats. Create endgame state. Restart. Now I have. Don't know if the weapons should rotate, but abilities are disabled. So I first have to pick a class, and I will take all legendaries. I will take sniper, some more pets, and that's it probably. Oh. Let's do this. Okay. Take. No. Start new. Take sniper. I take. Thing with a few things. Okay. Is it? Okay. In. Oh, Okay, this was... She should not have been active, but I think it should work. Good king. Let's see. Test, one test replace. Success, builder success, very good. No, success false, this is not good. I have a bug to find. Stop. They are new, but still false. Tell me why. We have, here's the newest version. Third data is kill count is different. The score is the same. Let's try to find out. Let's data. Delete all data, reload. Tutorial, I get bonus HP, kill, I die. Right. No, I should have. Don't see one last one. We play last one. This is success true. Don't know if it's has something to compare. It looks the same. Test. Do I have still? No, I've removed it. Test. I am only interested in comment them out. Do I snipe? Builder is the one. Please only do builder. Test. One test replace. Success false. Successfully. This is the same as this one. So it's different. Let's try again. Can we do it? I take builder. I have get one level. Get more towers. I die. Just replay. Builder. Reload. Test replace. It's success false again. I think he does not have more towers upgrade. can I see what there's an upgrade. Max Towers is 5, this is incorrect. Line damage is not changed. HP is not changed. Movement speed is not changed. Did change. What else is there? HP. HP tick amount. Okay, I get. So the randomness is different in the replay. Because Sniper doesn't have a randomness. No, it's also a why only builder. Sniper's choice should also be different. Something does not add up. Is there then a chance that I get... No, I get always... Now if I get different choices. I take max towers again, so I have 10. Sweep. This time I have the 10 and even now it's success false. Now I'm confused even more. Kills. I'm confused. How can I find out why they differ? I have seen the case that the randomness is different. Let me think. I have difference with the map, the cursed area. There's a boss which shoots balls which have different directions, so I get different random values. But this should influence every play. So I would guess if I remove the cursed area, it would. Let's verify. Add in map. No, I add in game init currently. This goes to modifiers. If I remove the add, see if this already is enough. Yes, if you think this should do tower build, I do. Let's wait. Level towers. Die. Sweep. Load. Test we play. It's successful. So we try tower builder. Take max towers. Cannot click here. Interesting, but okay now. Last we play. Test we play. It's also successful. So my thought is correct. Adding map modifiers. Some replace, only some wake. This is the interesting part. All should wake. Do the random seed. I only, no, I always edit. No. I let's go different reference. It's in here. Doesn't need to be exported then. Don't export it. Now he's confused. Yeah, I did. This does use up the value. So my replays. So this means the first one works. Okay, let's verify. I load. Directly take Tower Builder and play. Towers. Speed doesn't matter. Yes, we play. Isn't this should work is because I do not have an area yet. Builder reload. Test, one test we play. Yes, this is a success. Okay. Now I have a reason why some do work and some don't. Means this is a task. Not breaks replace. Only works. As replace. Okay, I have. This makes sense. Or I can find out these two working. On test replay. Bit up. Builder works. So tamer again. Position again. How far does he get? It's false, but he will be only false in a call. Can also fix the expected value. Score. We can fix this. Expected. Let's fix king. I have. Oh, this is incorrect. It's incorrect. No. It's correct. Actual is the new expected. This is fixed. I can do same for tamer and the score is different. Okay, for tamer it's 2. It can be 57 tamer. 75. Did I know 57? Okay. And tamer position. It's kill only 2. Test replace. Okay, this is fixed. I take this means okay, I have to pay attention. I want all replace to be active. Sniper, builder, tamer, musician. Multiplayer long I do not have. Multiplayer I do not have. Activated. Let's test. And then I come to an end for today. Long builder is the one I have on my list, to-do list. I died. I have to verify, is the tamer, was it broken before and did not pay attention? No, I teleport them now. Oh, it's expected. Okay, perfect. This is my one from today. It works. Okay, so tamer has to be back on my list. Tamer and reminder has to be first one, or it will break. I so moved, but it's still activated. Deactivated is okay. Port test replace. Everything did work, so I push. Others I have test what are my next tasks for next time. Don't see. Okay, I have the problem I have to solve. Also, I'm not sure how to solve it. I have an idea overnight, maybe not. So I guess I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.